The magical world of data type C++. Today, kids, we're going on an adventure into the magical world of data types. Teacher Bot. Every hero in coding has a backpack, but the backpack must know what kind of treasure it will hold. That's why we need data types. Students cheer. Yay! Data types. Boolean character appears. Boolean, a tiny robot with yes, divided by no buttons. Hello friends, I'm Boolean. I can only say true or false. Boolean answers yes to are you happy and no to are you sad. Boolean is only 1 byte small but very important. Char, a talking alphabet block. Hi, I'm Char. I store 1 character like a, 5, or even symbols like $. Char changes shape into A, B, C, then 1, 2, 3. Char also takes 1 byte of space in memory. Integer joins the group, a strong number superhero. Hey kids, I'm Int, the number hero. I store whole numbers like 3, 0, 42 or 999. Int carries boxes labelled with numbers. Int usually takes 2 or 4 bytes. Float slides in on a water wave. Float, a water drop. Splash, I'm float. I can store decimal numbers like 3.14 or 7.5. Float shows water measuring cup with 3.14 litres. Float takes 4 bytes and can remember about 6-7 decimal digits. Double arrives as a giant twin of Float. Double, Float's big sibling. Hello everyone, I'm Double. I'm just like Float, but bigger and smarter. I can hold up to 15 decimal digits. Double writes a long number, 123.45678901234. Double takes 8 bytes. All characters together Boolean. True or false? Char, 1 letter at a time. Int, whole numbers, strong and tall. Float, decimals, small but useful. Double, decimals but super long. Together, they make coding powerful by helping us store different kinds of data. Ending celebration, all characters dance and shout, we are data types. Without us, coding would be chaos. And that's how computers know what to store inside variables. The magical world of data types makes coding fun and easy.